Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share an app from one iPhone to another. Let's get started. First of all, on iPhone, you cannot directly send and install app file like Android phones, but don't worry. There are easy and official ways to share apps between iPhone. This is the most common and simple method on your iPhone. Go to home screen and find the app you want to share. Press and hold the app icon. A menu will appear. From the menu, tap on share app. Now you will see a sharing options like message, WhatsApp, mail or AirDrop. Choose how you want to share. Select the person and send the app link. On the other iPhone, they just need to open the link and tap download from the app store. And that's it. The app will install normally. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.